Iyi program turiko turatangura kuva mu kwezi kwa gatandatu ni program yitwa Multicultural storytime.
We have another program that has been recently funded. Recently, in last month in June, it's called Multicultural Storytime, which is now underway at early stage.
Muri no program, reka tuje next slide turebe.
So in this program, let's move to next slide.
Muri no program, abavyeyi bahurira ahantu hamwe bari kumwe n'abana babo bakabavugisha amastori asanzwe mu rurimi rwabo mu Kirundi cyangwa Swahili.
So this program involves parents and children. As you can see, it's multicultural story time. This is to connect, make sure we are still connecting with back home based on our culture, so we don't lose our identity.
Turavye intumbero hajya harabiranze mu Cyongereza hano munsi mu Kirundi no guteza imbere umuco n'ururimi rw'Ikirundi.
So as you can see, the top there is in English, the lower part is in Kirundi, so it's pretty much promoting the culture and the language at the same time. But it's not only Kirundi, it can be also Swahili, which is most of the East African spoken language.
Bizofasha kandi abana kwiga kuvuga no kwandika no gusoma.
So that's we help also our young children to read and write the language.
Kandi departement y'amagara y'abantu uvuga ministeri y'amagara y'abantu bo inyungu zabo nuko twigisha abantu inkuru zijyanye n'ubuzima cyangwa n'amagara yabo zifatiye ku mico y'iwacu.
As you can see, this program it tends to be part of the learning. It's also should be supported by the Department of Education, but as you can see, it's funded by the Department of Health. The Ministry of Health, they understand that the learning and the maintaining the culture, that relationship between children and parents is part of also the good health for our families.
Iyi program rero izomara imyaka ine.
This program is going to last 4 years.
Tukibaza ko nyuma y'iyo myaka ine abana b'Abarundi n'Abakongomani babishaka bazaba bavuga Igiswahili cyangwa Ikirundi neza.
We think and we believe that if there's a will, we believe Burundians or Congolese or East African kids who will be involved in this program, they will be well equipped and be able to speak Swahili or Kirundi very well.
To the next slide.
If you move to next slide.
Swahili, bafisemo program.
So we put also Congolese community because they have also been part of this program as well.
Yes. Kubera ko twe mu Barundi ntiducagura ngo uyu Murundi ategeza ko twe turazi ko tufise Abarundi bavuga Igiswahili ngo tugiye gusaba turafise abashaka kuvuga Ikirundi cyangwa kwigisha abana Ikirundi turafise n'abandi bashaka kwigisha abana Igiswahili.
So part of who we are as Burundians, Burundi community, we don't, I should say, no discriminate, no select or Congolese. We understand Kirundi, so that's why we have involved everyone to be part of it.
Twifuje rero yuko twogira igroupe zitatu z'Ikirundi, imwe muri Geelong, iyindi muri Belthrand, n'iyindi ngaha muri Shepparton.
That's why we thought that we'll have 3 groups. 2 in Melbourne Metro, and 1 in Geelong, and 1 based here in Shepparton.
And then tugira groupe zibiri z'Igiswahili, imwe muri Geelong, iyindi hano muri Shepparton.
And you have also two groups of Swahili-based language, 1 here in Shepparton, another 1 in Geelong.
Hanyuma
included them, and they are also part of this program.
Tugiye turabe muri mwaka wa mbere ingene bigenda umwaka ukurikira tuzomenya ibyo tuzoba twize ko bikunda cyangwa bidakunda kugira icyo duhindura ariko kuri ubu dufite amaguru atandatu kandi tubona ko bikorera neza nizeye ko na hano muri Shepparton muzotangura vuba.
So this is the beginning, so we're at the early stage, we're at beginning stage, so let's see how we go. Probably next year we'll assess the progress of the project And also, I'm hoping that also Shepparton, we are going to start soon. There will be evaluation and see how well we can improve.
Ibi byose turagira ngo dushobore guterera muri cya cyiyumviro cy'uko ugira umuco uvamo ukawugumya ukawuha n'abana kandi mugakora uko mushoboye kugira ngo muguteze imbere iyo mwavuye.
So this comes from that sense where we felt of maintaining and safeguarding our culture, our identity, our language, which our younger ones will inherit.
Hanyuma nagira ngo mufashe muri kano kanya kuko uno mugambi umaze amezi abiri gusa, ndashaka mufashe uno mwanya twugurure uyu mugambi mu buryo bwa official. Tuvuge tuti ubu uyu mugambi wa Multicultural storytime uratangujwe uno munsi.
And that's why I'm going to ask you all and allow me and let's allow ourselves. This project has started now, it's been nearly 2 months. So we are now going to officially launch this project.
Narinzi ko tuza kuba twaronse akanya tugashira ibirago aha tugasaba abamama n'abapapa bafite abana batoya bakabicara ngaha tukabona ukuntu bikora gatoya ariko twasanze umwanya tuza kutwemerera ariko urashaka nk'isinye gusa yuko tubyuguruye tubikomera amashyi gusa ibisigaye bizikora.